All right, YouTubes. Saturday morning, it's like 7:25. I'm gonna go help a fellow contractor that got sick. He had this walking box install going, so he hit me and another guy up to finish it for him. So we told him, yeah, we'd do it. We're getting paid. So I'm gonna bring you guys along for a walking box pipe job. The coil's hung. The condensing unit's up there, got to move it around a little bit. Drill the hole, pipe the box. I think that's as far as we're getting today on it. But I'm going to bring you guys along here. The swells have been huge. We're having the huge ocean swells, just like knocking kids off the beach, washing away motorhomes at Pismo Beach. And it's just been ginormous waves. Whoa!
Captured the moment that a wave crashed into a beach barrier, which wiped out several bystanders. Police say onlookers were washed down the street. Get this, about half a football field.
So I'm going to take you guys up to the cliffs. We'll go take a look, and then we'll get over to that job. I got a little bit of time to burn. I left a little early, and we'll get out there and do that. Let's go check it out. Oh, we're getting up there. We're having the El Nino. The storms are warm. I'm still short sleeving it here in December. Like 60 degrees. High 50s, 60s when it rains. But lots of rain. Like, it freaking dumped last night. We'll come around the corner here. We'll see how big the surf is. Let this guy go in front of me. Yeah, get some. All right, come around the corner here. We'll see if it's churning and burning. It was up to the pier. The swells were up to the wharf on the last swell. We'll see if this one's any bigger. Oh yeah, it's moving. It's moving out there. I'll see if I can pull over up here and get you guys a shot. I think the last swell was bigger. Definitely. This one hasn't peaked yet. The last swell was way. I'll pull in and get a shot with the iPhone so we can zoom in on the wharf. Here's what I got. We got this box right here. Units on top up there. I got my ladder. This is the coil. I got it laid out. I'm gonna drill my hole and then we'll get started. This is what I'm thinking. Catch, catch, catch. And then right down the hole. See how we make out. All right, that's where we got the panel off. Braze all this. I gotta finish fitting the liquid line. Henry got split insulation. That was a fucking nightmare. Especially going down here and then getting it on the P-trap. Holy moly. Oh, brother. All right, got all done. It's lunchtime. Got it on nitrogen chest. I don't like the split insulation, but I didn't get the parts. It wasn't my job. I'm just helping out. I got my duct tape up there because I like to put the spray foam this way, and then it'll keep it all flat when it's finished. It'll look flat. So let's go on top of the box. That's how it came out. Oh, that split insulation is just cock-a-doodly-doo. Step back, we'll get a look at it. There it is, she's all done. Strapped, done. Ready to rock and roll. Nitrogen holding charge. Then I want to leave the vacuum pump on it for 24 hours. And then we can charge it up. This one's gonna actually be 449A. That'll be my first time using that stuff, but not my job. But it'll be neat to see how it does. I gotta find some spray foam and fill up that hole here real quick. And then I'm at a good stopping point. All right, we got that all done. Look, it's 12:30, we've been bullshitting for a little bit. Took us about 4 hours to get that all done, from like 8 to 4. It's on a nitrogen holding charge. I gotta get a can of spray foam for the hole. And I want to put it on the vacuum pump for 24 hours when we come back, and then I'll be ready for startup. And I'll try and keep the video going. And I need to do more videoing, show you guys that tool bag. You guys will love it. All right.